We live in an expanding universe, where every galaxy is moving away from us, except for the ones that aren't. In a 500 million light-year radius, everything is flowing like a river toward a single, unseen point. This 9-minute investigation looks into the Great Attractor, the gravitational anomaly that breaks our laws of physics. Section 1. The Zone of Avoidance. Why we are blind to our own destiny. Our own galaxy's gas and dust create a blind spot in the sky, hiding the very thing that is pulling us. We only discovered the drift by measuring the peculiar velocity of thousands of neighboring galaxies. It's like being in a car rushing toward a wall you can only see through a thermal camera. Section 2. Laniakea. We are part of a cosmic, immeasurable heaven. In 2014, we mapped our home supercluster and found that we are on a one-way path to the Norma cluster. But even the Norma cluster isn't heavy enough to explain the speed at which we are falling. Section 3. The War of Forces. Gravity versus dark energy. Dark energy wants to rip the universe apart, but the Great Attractor is fighting to pull it back together. If gravity wins locally, we will eventually merge into a single, hyper-dense graveyard of stars. This is a mini Big Crunch, a localized collapse that could happen long before the rest of the universe fades away. Section 4. The Final Destination. What happens when the fall ends? In billions of years, the Milky Way will collide with the heart of this anomaly. The intense gravity will strip planets from their orbits and stars from their clusters. We won't find a monster there, we will find the limit of our understanding of the universe. The Great Attractor is a reminder that we are small and our physics is incomplete. We are falling through the dark, toward a destination we can never see and never escape. Our history is a brief moment of light in a gravitational descent. The path to the center is the final chapter of our galaxy. If you are hearing this, you are already 600 kilometers closer than when we started. The speed of our fall is increasing every second. Each explosion in the cluster is a signal of the coming collapse. We are passengers on a ship that has no brakes. The future is a silent, heavy, and inescapable convergence. We reach for the stars, but they are all moving in the same direction. The sky tonight is a map of a falling world. The law of mass is the final law of the Great Attractor. The universe is exhaling, but we are being inhaled. Every galaxy is a drop of water in the cosmic drain. The sun is setting on the era of expansion. We are all falling together, in perfect, terrifying silence. The journey into the unknown is a flight into the center of mass. Our name will be compressed into the heart of the cluster. The universe is a beautiful, cold, and heavy mechanism. The era of the observer is over, the era of the impact begins. The shattered timeline concludes, at the edge of the attractor. We have seen the edge. End of data stream. Gravity is absolute. Can you feel the weight of the stars? The lights are merging, system by system. The void is pulling. It has no face, only mass. Nothing was ever truly at rest. Our history is being filed in the center of the well. The foundations of our world are under pressure. There is no future for those who cannot stay light. We were a brief spark in a falling universe. The sky is being warped by the invisible hand. The garden of stars is falling into the cosmic well. The center has finished the pull. Our consciousness is becoming part of the cluster. The signal for the final convergence has been sent. They knew the fall was coming, we are just finding out. The mission of gravity is nearing its end. The solar system is quiet and falling at last. The maps to our home are now relics of a distant past. The next supercluster is already entering the zone. Total convergence of the sector has been achieved. Is there a memory left in the mass? Don't blink. The pull is real. Status, at the center. The new era of density starts now. Gravity has you. Subscribe to Storyqy. The truth is in the mass. What's really at the center? Is it the end, or a new Big Bang? Everything is connected by the weight of the dark. Storyqy, exploring the invisible forces. 0. It's heavy. Goodbye, Laniakea. Home is a falling stone. The face of gravity is silent. Time ends at the center. The lights are dimming. End of transmission. The attractor is here. Rebooting reality. 1. Storyqy